Hi, to configure SAP HANA system, you have system INI files. Now, .ini files contain properties for configuring the system as a whole and individual tenant databases, hosts and services. In HANA Studio, you can check INI files for configuring HANA system. You can also set the values for these configuration files. Various properties can be configured at different levels or layers depending on the configuration file. Let us see about the configuration INI files in HANA Studio.
In this tutorial, we will discuss about the INI files in SAP HANA. So, an SAP HANA system has several configuration files, that is the INI files, which contain the properties for configuring your system as a whole and individual tenant databases, host and the services. SAP HANA's configuration files contain the parameters for the global system configuration, that is your global.ini, as well as the configuration of each service in the system, like the index server.ini. So the configuration files, they are separated into the sections, and the sections bundle the properties of the same category. So the properties can be configured at different levels or the layers depending on the configuration file. So let's see how we can check the configuration files in the SAP HANA system. So this is my SAP HANA system. So if I go to the administration, if I select my SAP HANA system and if I open up the administration here. If I open up the administration, I will be able to see the different tabs inside it. Like we have the overview, we have the landscape, alerts, performance, volumes, configuration. So for the INI files, we have to use the configuration. If we go to the configuration here, we can see the different INI files here. Like we have the attributes.ini, we have the compile server.ini. Similarly, we have the daemon. So all these are the different configuration files of which my HANA system is constitute of. So let's say if we see this attributes.ini file. So how we can check the values of this attributes.ini? Let's say if I expand this, after that we can expand it further, so we can see the global and we can see the ID attribute, we can see the Python trace. So let's say if I open up this global one, if I click on the value here, so what it is showing me is it is showing the default value, active value and the new value. So what are the active value, what is my new value and what is my default value? So my default value is basically the default value for this property. Now then we have under the system, we have the active value and we have the new value. So the system value means the system specific value of this property. So if the system specific value is not configured for a property, the default value will apply. Then we have the host. The host specific value for the property means that for some properties it is possible to set the host specific values for the multiple host systems. If a host specific value is not configured for a property, that can be set at the host level. The specific system value will apply if it is a host specific value and we have specified it in the properties. So here we can set up the system value. Either we can use this, we can enter this new value and it will appear as the active value. Otherwise my default value will be used. So in this we do not have the host value. So let's see any other property where we can see the host value. Let's try to open up few of the properties where we can see the host value. So let's close this one. If we go and expand some other values, let's say the daemon ini, and if I click on this compile server, and then might be the executable, yeah. So here we have this host value as well. So we have the default value, we have the system value and we have the host value. So this is about the configuration files in SAP HANA. So in this video we have seen what are the different INI files, how we can check that in the administration, how we can check the values, that is the system, default and the host values, what does those values mean, how we can set up the values for this configurations. So that is it about this video. Thank you.